And these come in a
battling your boat speed against the wind speed.
It's Banjo here, currently on the Powerboat Instructors course out on the beautiful Sydney Harbour. As you can see, the guys are doing a great job with the training and all the lessons.
It is compelling. You can look at the different methods. Be able to get that head movement around.
it's down there and do a Reggie, what do you think about all this?
For the last 2 days we've just been down on wonderful Sydney Harbour, learned a bit about powerboat instructing, so how to teach people to drive a powerboat safely with good seamanship and keeping aware of other uses of the water.
Yeah, we'd like to thank Ollie for a great experience. It's been really awesome.
Yeah, thank you.